Click on File and Open. Select Image and click on Open. Select Rectangular Marquee Tool and make selection. Click on Edit and define pattern. Write your pattern name. And press Enter. Press Ctrl+D for deselect your selection. Click on File and Open. Select Image and click on Open. Select Object Selection Tool. Select Lasso Mode. Make selection of the shirt. Select Polygonal Lasso Tool. Follow the process. Press Ctrl+J for make duplicate. Select Rectangle Tool and make rectangle. Click on Layer Style and Pattern Overlay. Select your pattern. Scale 20%. Press OK. Right-click and convert to Smart Object. Again, right-click and create clipping mask. Change blend mode normal to multiply. Change shirt blend mode normal to darker color. Press Ctrl+J for make duplicate. Move it up. Right-click and create clipping mask. Change blend mode darker to multiply. Opacity 50%. Duplicate the upper layer. Change blend mode multiply to screen. Click on Image, Adjustment and Levels. Adjust the brightness. Press OK. This is the final result. 3 more shirt mock-up for your practice, pattern design in the description box. I hope you liked this video. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more tutorial.